Hey guys, did you know that on Wednesday, May 20th, it is World Bee Day? Hunter and I thought it'd be pretty cool to do a bee craft, and we're gonna show you everything that you need. Okay guys, so this is everything you're gonna need. You're gonna need some yellow and black construction paper, a toilet paper tube, some glue, scissors, and some regular white paper. And if you have googly eyes, if not, you can just draw them on. So you want to cut some strips for the stripes, and then you want to cut the bee's color out and his wings. Let's get making. Okay guys, so the first step you're going to do is you're going to need your big piece of construction paper and your toilet paper tube, and you're going to take your glue off, and you're just going to glue it down on that part there. And then you're gonna take your toilet paper tube and you're gonna glue the paper to it. I'm gonna put a bunch more glue down so that when I roll it together, it all stays. Okay. And then you're going to roll your paper onto your toilet roll. So then you're going to have the body of your bee. Okay guys, so your second step is you're just gonna wanna take your black stripes and you're gonna wanna tape them on like Hunter's. So I've got one already glued and ready. There you got your little bee stripes. Okay, so your next step is you're gonna glue his wings on. So you're just gonna wanna take your cutouts and you're gonna wanna glue it on.
Like this.
Like that.
Like a butterfly.
But a bumblebee. And then your bee will look like this. Okay, so next you're gonna do your bee's head. You're gonna take your googly eyes, if you have any, or you can just draw it on. And then you're gonna take your antenna cutouts, I don't know if you can really see them, they're super tiny. And you're just gonna glue it all together. So his head is gonna look like this. And then I'm just gonna draw him a little smile. Okay, so it's gonna go like this. He's pretty cute. And then we're going to glue him onto the front of our toilet paper tubes. So he will look like this when you're all done. Happy Bee Day, guys!